spices. So we in the UK have your spices. That's
This
cool.
is the making for the rice powder.
Yeah.
The oil.
Amazing. Everything changes quite substantially once you get off the residential streets, and it becomes a lot more busy, a lot more crowded, a lot more congested, a lot more activities going on here, which is not a bad thing. It's just where everyone's obviously hanging out. And it's facing me. Namaste. Oh, no thank you. No thank you. No haircuts. I haven't had a haircut in 6 years. Hello. Right, now I think if I turn right, left here, sorry, then should be able to find the clock tower. So now this is definitely the main thoroughfare through Jodhpur, and everyone is really nice actually. Everybody's waving, smiling, having fun. They want to talk to you. There's nice interactions going on. You know, if you say no to a tuk-tuk driver, they immediately go, that's fine, and carry on. And this is the sort of stuff that I quite enjoy actually, beyond the scary stuff. Yo!
Where?
UK.
Okay, so I am a content creator. Can I ask you a simple question?
Yes.
Camera. Yeah.
What is it?
No. I am shoot with you.
Huh?
I am shoot with you, but
This thoroughfare is actually really nice. It's got a lot of really nice pieces of architecture. You can see there's balconies up here. Really beautiful. Holy shit, there's legit an elephant walking down the street right now. So, thank you. Cheers. So let's get out of the way of the elephant. Oh. Whoa. Wow. Can I record? That is a real life elephant. I wasn't expecting that, but that is insane. I was not expecting that today. What a treat.
Where are you come from?
UK.
UK.
Say hello.
Hi.
What's the elephant for? What's the elephant for?
Jain land.
Oh, celebration. Amazing. It's beautiful. Incredible.
Are you come here single?
Yes, on my own. Yeah. That's amazing. First time I've ever seen an elephant. Nice to meet you.
For which place of Gujarat?
Thank you.
Okay.
Lovely to meet you. Thank you. Enjoy your celebration. Thank you. Cheers. What? I cannot believe that just happened. Welcome to India. Hello. See, everybody's really nice around here, which is great. Makes a total difference to the way places feel. Because even if they're a bit crowded and a bit busy, people are still nice. Hello. Although I need to get through this mess. Give me a second. I'm gonna go that way. I think we got it. We're done it. We legged it through. Woo! Right. Wow. Hello. That's definitely different to the residential streets. This little square, how beautiful is this? We've got incredible little domes up here, beautiful balconies up here, and again up here, the chatterisses, and it looks like that's actually a gate through to the other side, which is awesome. There's another beautiful gate here, which I think is the one we're going to take to get to the clock tower. So let's do it. So if you choose door number 2 there, or gate number 2, the one that I showed you either side of the Chatteras, you end up in a space that is actually a temple. This day just keeps getting better and better. I've just been inside the temple. They say they're restoring the paintings. The paintings are 60 years old. They have redone the whole thing. It's incredible. It's exquisite. I've never seen craftsmanship like it. The whole place has been repainted to an exceptional standard. You can see I'm on the outside of it now where the murals are, and on the inside it's just far more detailed. I took photos of it. They let me take photos. Really nice people on the inside, and I'll show you them. This day just keeps getting better and better and better. I don't know what's going on. I'm just on a good day today, one of those good travel days, so let's hope it continues. Hello. Okay, let's keep going. We're nearly at the Clock Tower, walking through the streets again, and it won't be long until we can see what the time is. The Clock Tower is in this direction, and it's got really busy. Hello, good, thanks. Thank you. Hello. See, so you can tell it's just gone absolutely crazy. Shit crazy. Welcome to the Central Markets. It is a Sunday, so I guess that's going to make it even more busy realistically, because people will be doing their weekly shop, getting everything they need for the week, and here it is. The Clock Tower. Now, there's a bit of history you need to know here, so let's talk about the Clock Tower from this perspective. So this thing is known as Garh, and it was actually an attempt to colonize Jodhpur a bit more. It was built in the 19th century as a way to try and show modernization and innovation. It was built by Maharaja Sardar Singh, so just over in the distance you can see through the gate that we came through, it's actually called Sardar Market. Now you can see the the Indo-Islamic kind of infusion with the dome on the top with the small gold finial. It's very, very much less British, more Indian kind of infusion. So you can see the clock tower and the fort in the distance beyond. Finally just found a quiet spot for a second, which is nice. But let me know what you think of the architecture of this. I think it's pretty cool. Right, we found the spice markets, which is really good. But I've been followed by kids, so apparently when you... I'm fine, thank you. Lots of spices. Whoa, loads of spices. Take a picture, of course, of your spices.
Yes. Because in India, Jodhpur is very famous of the spices.
Okay.
You know your food by Mr. Sainsbury's
I know Mr. Sainsbury's.
supermarket.
He buys your spices?
They've been in my shop here.
No way.
And I do business in Manchester,
Yes.
South London, Kings Road.
Yeah.
Mostly I export in the saffron
Okay.
because your country is most expensive.
It is very expensive.
You know how much I sell here for 1 gram?
No idea.
300 rupees.
300 rupees. And how much do you sell it for to
Then
Mr. Sainsbury's?
It's just quarter.
Yeah.
It's like 10 euro.
Oh, wow. Big difference. Smells good though,
And
no?
also I sell best like vanilla beans
Nice.
because your country is coming from Madagascar,
Yes.
but they grow from India.
Okay.
But your country is coming Madagascar, but small
Yes.
and dry
Okay.
and expensive.
Gotcha.
But I sell for long, fresh.
Yes.
You know how much I sell one piece?
No idea.
200 rupees.
Wow.
And you know what is this?
No idea. Is it okay to record?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Because I've been vlogging. So
This is called chili.
this is chili,
That's coriander.
coriander,
That's the turmeric.
turmeric,
And that's the paprika.
paprika.
And that's called curry.
Nice.
So you can make for biryani, for rice.
And the chilies as well.
This is the super duper strong chili.
Yeah.
And this is the cumin soup.
Yes. It smells amazing. It really does smell
You
good.
know what is that?
Ginger?
Give your hand. This is called soya bean.
It's a soya bean.
Yeah, you can cook with the rice.
Oh, okay.
After it's coming big and soft, then
Amazing.
people are eating.
Awesome. So your MM spices. MM spices. So we in the UK have your spices. That's
This
cool.
is the making for the rice powder.
Yeah,
You can
yeah,
fry the
yeah.
oil.
Amazing.
This is the masala for the pickle.
Yep.
Masala for pickle.
Okay.
This is for natural gum.
Yes, yeah, yeah.
And here also is a, look, I mean.
Thank you.
And this is I selling all the trees.
Oh, amazing.
All different kind of trees.
Wow, 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 wow.
And this is I sell all different kind of curries and masala.
Wow.
So this is all our spice and tea. I do mix my own self.
Do you sell these to the UK as well?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Because mostly they're buying for restaurant people.
Oh, I see.
Smell this.
Awesome.
But you smell slowly, okay?
Yes.
This is strong.
It's strong, so it'd blow my head off. Woo!
So this is a herbal
That is
mint.
strong. That's a herbal mint tea.
In the sometime
Wow.
if you're closing the nose,
Yeah.
stomach, gas,
Yes,
digestion,
it helps your
you
stomach.
drink this tea. This is
Amazing.
I sell 25 different tea.
25 different teas. Wow. They all smell fantastic.
And that's the tea. It's called the lychee.
Yes, lychee tea. Smells a lot
Yes,
like
because
lychee.
this is the shop is very old.
Yes.
It's not my grandfather. It's a 1951. It's very long time.
So MM was your granddad?
1951.
So MM Spices, is that your name is?
My name is Abdul.
Abdul.
Yeah.
Say hello
And
to
that's,
Abdul. And thank you for showing
And
me your
maybe
shop.
also you can talk with your mama
I will do.
and your sister, friends. So if you need something, so you can, how many days? How many days?
I've got another week here yet. I've only just got here.
So maybe also from big forgetter.
They have some what, sorry?
Big forgetter.
Oh, yeah,
So careful there.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Lovely to meet you.
So if
And
have time, maybe
fantastic shop.
In the night,
Yes.
either to this night, maybe tomorrow morning, afternoon.
Awesome.
So you can come and remember my shop MM. Because here many shops like MG,
Yeah.
MV, MR. So you are confused.
I will
But
remember.
MM.
I know, because I know exactly, you're right opposite the clock tower. Exactly.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you very much for your time. It's a
Okay.
pleasure to meet you.
Yeah, if you meet nice people, you offer my tea.
I will do. I'm going to go and try your tea. Thank you very much. Cheers. Well, that was nice. Nice guy. He warned me of something that I actually thought as well, like the pickpockets, because I mean, there's a lot of kids here tapping you on the shoulder and stuff, and they kind of tap you on the leg, and I do sometimes wonder if they're just doing the adverted kind of distraction technique, which they might well be doing if they are clever. And we have escaped the chaos. So this is actually the central water point, which you can see is clean as a whistle. These are the bits that leave me conflicted about India, because you can go and see some really beautiful things and then you just get, and it's everywhere. I mean, this could be such a lovely spot, right? I mean, if you just clean the water, there's a nice little podium here, and this is that central water point, but you know, it's really beautiful, really historic, and I mean, look at how nice it would be to be in one of those balconies overlooking this lake. There's some beautiful balconies on the other side as well that look traditional. It's just one of those things where India has so much potential to be great, and we can see that in moments of greatness, in moments of joy, where we go up to places like the fort, we go up to places like the memorial buildings, we see places like the Taj, and they're all incredible, and then you just get totally grounded by the opposite side of that, which unfortunately is this at points, and it could be so easily rectified and remedied if the people wanted change. And I had a chat with some kids the other day, some really intelligent 18-year-old kids, and they're from the city of Indore. Now, Indore is the cleanest city in India, and they said they just got to the point where the locals wanted change. And at that point forwards, the whole region and the whole community just started pushing for this clean agenda. Now, I haven't been to Indore, I haven't seen this, but I would like to go and check it out for myself. But you just think like, come on guys, be better to yourselves, because there is so much beauty here. I mean, that is a prime example of what could be a fabulous space for the community. So let's get back to the hostel, chill out, have a drink, and from there, so we're not even in yet and it's already looking beautiful. You can see balconies leaning over us, the fort walls, some beautiful Jali work screens here. Looking forward to getting there.